Welcome back to Knowledge Speak. It's me, Diem. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to study a very important topic called mitochondria. So let's start. Mitochondria is cell organelle. It was discovered by Altman in 1890. First they were called bioblast. Bio mean living, blast mean which produce energy. This mean it give energy to living organism. Later, mitochondria name was given by Benda in 1898. Mito mean thread and chondria from chondrion, which mean granule. They are thread-like granule. Mitochondria is double membranous organelle which produce ATP. It can only be found in eukaryote because it is surrounded by membrane, and prokaryote doesn't have membranous organelle. In prokaryote, periplasmic fluid replaces mitochondria, and the membrane composition of mitochondria is same as that of cell membrane. It is made up of lipid bilayer and proteins. Mitochondria is present in cytoplasm. Its number varies from 1 to several thousand, depending on the physical activity of cell. The more active the cell, the larger amount of mitochondria to produce more energy. For example, muscle cells. They have large amount of mitochondria. Here is the structure of mitochondria. It have following part: double membrane. The inner material of mitochondria is surrounded by double membrane. Outer membrane is smooth while inner membrane is convoluted to increase the surface area. Second structure of mitochondria is cristae. It is the fold present in the inner membrane of mitochondria. As you can see here in this diagram, each fold is called cristae. Matrix. It is the fluid present inside the inner membrane. It contains macromolecule, enzymes, vitamins, oxysomes, DNA, RNA, and ribosomes. Have a look at the composition of the matrix in this diagram. Oxysomes. They are also called F1 particle or elementary particle. They are present on the inner surface of inner membrane and have ATP synthetase, which is enzyme that help in the synthesis of ATP. They have ribosomes of 70S and have circular DNA similar to bacteria. Thus, scientists say that mitochondria was once bacteria which start living in organism, and this theory is called endosymbiotic theory. Mitochondria play an salient function in living organism because they produce energy for all processes such as running, walking, eating, drinking, and even sleeping needs energy, which is provided by mitochondria. That's why it is called powerhouse of cell. And now you will be thinking that how energy is produced, that I am talking from the beginning, and that energy is produced from carbohydrates and oxygen in the presence of enzymes and yield carbon dioxide and water and ATP, which is the energy currency of cell. It is the abbreviation of adenosine triphosphate. And here energy is produced when the sigma bond which is present between two phosphate is broken, and energy in this process energy is released, which is used by living organism for all processes. This all process of breaking carbohydrate in the presence of oxygen and producing ATP is called aerobic respiration. And this respiration takes place in mitochondria. Mitochondria is also called semi-autonomous organelle because they have their own DNA, RNA, and ribosome, so they are less dependent on cell for their processes and needs, and its size is from 0.1 to 1 micrometer in diameter and from 1 to 2 micrometer in length. They are round in shape, that's why they have diameter. Now here is the last and fascinating part of lesson, which is quiz. If you understand, answer this question, that why mitochondria is not present in prokaryotes, and answer this question in comment section below. Before closing this video, please like, subscribe, share and press bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.